All Manipur Student Union observes 53rd Hunger Marchers Day. Thousands of students take out Hunger Marchers Day rally in commemoration of the day. BJP comes together with Northeast India Development Party for 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Party asserts NEIDP stands out in commitment and ideological compatibility. Huge reliefs for farmers as Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian announces arrival of 7 truckloads of fertilizers today and 30 more tomorrow. And deplorable condition of Ukhrul to Kachai road raises serious doubts in the minds of hilly inhabitants regarding authenticity of BJP government's Go to Hill slogan. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. All Manipur Student Union AMSU today observed the 53rd anniversary of Chaklam Khongchert, also known as Hunger Marchers Day, in commemoration of the people's movement against the state government for artificial scarcity of rice in August 1965. Floral tributes were paid to the statue of the four who laid down their lives in the movement at its memorial site located at Singzamai Chingamaka early this morning. It may be recalled that 3 students, namely Oinam Nabakumar, Laishram Chauba, and Pramodini, and driver of All India Radio Imphal, Oinam Nilamani, were shot dead by security forces in the agitation against artificial scarcity of rice initiated by AMSU volunteers, family members of the led students and drivers. Thousands of students today took out a Hunger Marchers Day rally, chanting various slogans passing through Singzangmei, Wairangkhom, Yai School, Kaisampat, Nagamapalt, and Kuyatong. Later, a public meeting was also held at the multipurpose hall of DM College of Science. Leaders of the AMSU and other associations taking part in the meet discourse on various issues prevailing in the state. Speaking to media person, AMSU President Manjit Sarangtem recalled the artificial scarcity of rice in 1965, which led to the people's movement against the government, leading to the death of the 4 individuals. He asserted that such incidents still prevents in the state as farmers are facing grievous blights brought on by the scarcity of subsidized fertilizers. Manjit warned of unprecedented form of agitation if the government does not pay heed to the woes of the farmers. He also urged to the government to take befitted actions against officials and authorities concerned responsible for unavailability of subsidized fertilizers and to make the fertilizers available without further delay.
Leivak ama khunai ama loilam lenga ki thuksin makha da leire haibse chinjak ta thoine na mipal tangalaba masagi photok chotok puthok bangam draba dugumba paring amagi makha da chacharaga di leivak khunai do ko loilam lenga ki thuksin lamda leire haibse malem gi oiba miyoiba khunai na puari na mek sengna haktuna thamaba yanara wa phum makni miyam ge ba khongchat chat ke doriba simak akoi hauna na akoi miyam da sugum laba khuseng ge ba chak tangba loilam lengak man ma thukchilam na thon ki ba do amon ye kai ra kan da koi jinjak ta mi pal tak da ba lewak khunai ma ningtam na wakhal khan mangam ba dugumba anoba mirol sing ma ye kai na ba amuk na 1965 ta thon ki ba dugumba lichat adugi asoi ba thukchil sing do akoi parat tamna ba dugum laba miyam ge ba khongchat.
Sit-ins were organized at different parts of Sagolban today against the extension of Article 371 Clause A and the 6th Schedule of the Indian Constitution in Manipur. Members of Mairapaibi's local clubs and civil society organizations took part in the sit-in held at Sagolban, Pukrambam Leirak, Thangjam Leirak and Ingudam Leirak under the banner of UCM. JC against the custodial killing of Gypsy, Satish, Prem, Ranald and Naubi and Mapwalk jointly staged a sit-in at Maklang Market today. Women, folks and students of the locality took part in the protest meet and condemned the cold-blooded murders allegedly carried out by the Indian Army. The state BJP and has extended its alliance in view of the upcoming 2019 Lok Sabha elections. BJP has now partnered with Northeast India Development Party (NEIDP) ahead of the upcoming election. The parties announced their decision during a press meet held at the Darbar Hall of Chief Minister's Secretariat in Babupara today. Speaking to media person, Chief Minister Nongtama Biren intimated that BJP and its allied political parties across the nation, including Manipur, have started arrangement for the upcoming 2019 Lok Sabha election. He asserted NEIDP stood out as a party with compatible commitment and ideology for the BJP. Biren stated that the decision to ally with NEIDP was taken after a series of meetings with the leaders of NEIDP. On the other hand, the Chief Minister also stated that BJP candidates for the upcoming Lok Sabha election are not yet decided. He added the same will be decided without further delay. Chief Minister Nongtama Biren, NEIDP President in charge Elangbam Brozendo, NPP MLA and Minister L. Jantakumar, executive members of BJP Manipur Pradesh and NEIDP were present on the occasion.
Manipur Shambai si ngkhoi kan ba katane ade ngkhoi kan ba ga loina ngkhoi dugi manung da leiba praja punam ding ding launa mating leina masagi self sustainable potsak leijaba masagi masana masabu thok hingjaba ngambage adugumba sakti adu piba tangai fadabinina ana NEIDB hariba party sigi moi tauraiba moina tauriba mayam sisu urkanda ikhoina BJP in a letter ga leijariba aikhoina approach to bune adama ikhoina su harauna ya birakna ngasigi declaration se dokjebne.
Speaking further on the occasion, President in charge of NEIDP, Elangbam Brozendo, stressed the need to join hands with the present government for bringing resolutions to countless issues arising in the state. He asserted that NEIDP decided to ally with the ruling government as no closer can be brought to any prevailing issues by throwing shade amongst political parties.
Lamdamji the thoiba issue is a burning issue ni. Masi every section of the society ki involvement loin jawri. ID aduni adani ID opposition ni ID ruling ni haidan leiba yaba issue natabani na haiba khuding mak se materialize tawba haibsi tangai phada podam ni adana masida no question of barriers haitare madugi khaido khaijin gi thoido darkar leite every section of the society sida lairib awada pamyam sing ase masisu iroina na mengkhatmi naraga chatmina ba lamdam sida yamna nungai ba yamna tangdu leita ba haibedi ngasi gi lairiba aikoi gi society asida oiriba tangdu leita da phimam ase matau karabna everything should be in a normalcy aikoi gi humanity ground ta kari ohela pa yaba ge haiba myam sing ase masigi achet pathajab sing ase thamaka da aikoi ngasi gi mifam ase pangtok sabani.
Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister T.H. Shyamkumar has asserted that table work culture is no more in Manipur and call of the day is field visit. He said this at the launch of a new website of Manipur Organic Mission Agency (MOMA), organized by the Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation at Sangai Continental in Thangal Market today. Minister Shyamkumar also asserted that various welfare works are being undertaken by the present government. He said the new website www.momamanipur.com will felicitate organic farmers of the state to a great extent. Shyamkumar said the website will promote the state's organic produce to the rest of the world and facilitate business transactions. He also said the website will make available all the works undertaken by the department to the public. He maintained that staff of the department will make timely uploads of all the field work related information on the website, which will be operational 24/7. The minister appealed for any suggestion or feedback on the department at the website. 3 farmers, 1 each from Senapati, Tamenglong and Chorchampur districts, were distributed 1 power tiller each by the department on the occasion.
Different kinds of very wisdom time yamzi sakhange photo da yaure ama tawre na khoi gi interest and pira kan hena tawning bagi tawning da yam su tawning ani tawning ma yam su tawning ma hena tawning ani ba and website kan ba phang ne ba sine khoi gi department nga si honari ba makhong da maton bhau lei di ba ibal khoi gi chawida da gi pion ne horaga officers high level ibal minister level phau da direct fin visit chat la kan da taw mi yam su nga si anu government khoi to nga si di table work topic culture da khoi lei de nga si khoi website ta so to Reba, the port Mamdo. Then again we'll go together in the field side. But not Haribra Tada, Padanam, see organic way, with the Salamusu, Yangani, the Prasasinazu, anytime, Salama from the Salakana, in Vibusia, Department G, the Prasasing Nakoki, Pain the Ba, Legacy, and Kudimax, but the department welcome that we have.
Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian intimated that 7 truckloads of fertilizers will reach today and 30 more will reach tomorrow amidst landslides and deplorable conditions of the Imphal-Dimapur road. He opined that the inability to identify fake farmers rendered real farmers to the losing end. Speaking to media present at his Old Secretariat office today, V. Hankalian stated that fertilizers allocated for July didn't reach the state due to the bad road condition after landslide. He maintained as the allocation can't be retrieved for a couple of months at a time, fertilizers allocated for August cannot be procured as of now. He asserted that out of 20 metric tons of fertilizers, only 5 metric tons were made available to private dealers. The Agriculture Minister said 78,000 bags of fertilizers were made accessible directly to farmers and 61,000 bags were made available through MLEs. He intimated that fertilizers reaching tomorrow will be given to every district through a district agriculture officer. He urged the farmers to bring xerocopy of farm land documents and Aadhaar card when procuring fertilizers. Hankalian lamented scarcity situation would not have occurred if all the fertilizers reached to the real farmers. The minister assured of investigation into the matter by the government.
Huzik Pawada Lomi Singda Equina Jen Tokpa direct the 78,000 bags direct Lomi Sing the Pikere. Aduga through honorable ministers and MLAs, Equina Jen Tokpa 61,000 Muk Jen Tokra bags. Aduga Huzik Hairiba private party sing dealer singna Jingba 1,05,000 Muk Jingre. Madudi Equigi Hisaptadi Lomi a sing with the Chatadi. Madusu Huzik Powdi, Konabrana, Madum Oinamak Echo Chingba Tokan Hebelete, Hargisi, Jam Namit Mi Painaba, Lomi Singi, Ichina Lomi Singi, Damaxe, Echo Sukan Honori, Adum Oinamak, Lambi, Kaiba, Echogi, natural calamity, Hebese, overnight the Enesu, Egi Sakti, the Namdaba Ponina, Madugi, Awabali later, Banate, Maduse, Ichinina Lomi Singna. Madu understand to Biraga, Sigi, Awabase, Puthang Minase, Echo Department Sukan Honore.
On the other hand, Irabod Foundation Manipur in a press release held the BJP-led state government accountable for artificial scarcity of fertilizers faced by the farmers of the state. Irabod Foundation Manipur demanded dismissal of the Agriculture Minister, citing inefficiency of the minister in tackling the prevailing crisis. Minister Karamshyam stressed the need to precisely choose beneficiaries of the various governmental schemes. He asserted that inability to reach the scheme to the rightful beneficiaries hinders development process. The minister said this at the Skilling Textile Weavers Promotion Program held at Langthabal Mantri Khong Mayai Lekai Community Hall today. Youth Development Organization YTO Langthabal and Manipur Model Power Loom on the Panels Association jointly held the event with an aim to promote women weavers of the state. The Department of Textiles, Commerce and Industries Consolation Award 2018 awardee Bukrambam Ibemhon were facilitated on the occasion. Karamshyam also stressed the need to promote tourism, handlooms and handicraft sectors to boost the state's economy. He opined politicizing out of the every issue is the conduct of irresponsible representative. The minister also distributed weavers' card to women weavers on the occasion.
The quality, the magi price, the magi sin of the yamna comfort waiver, the sin of the nungai, siki competition ama labnina, yamna expert waiver, the industry department the ladiba and lumgi, sumba sing ship has an nainaba mother car lay, the quality products piva. Aduna, akoi competition was like the yawang of nanaba, honaba kanda. Akoi Manipur da hingba yaba wesi khara khaktani tourism sima koi phajana saukal hanba yarawani.
MPCC has refuted the allegations made by BJP in relation with involvement of Congress MLA in the arms theft case. Responding to BJP's yesterday's demand for clarification on the same from the Congress party, MPCC has asserted that there should not be any connection whatsoever with the arms theft case and the Congress party. Speaking to media person at Congress Bhavan today, Congress Treasurer K. Ranjit asserted that the MLA concerned involved in the arms theft has not been proven guilty yet, as the case is still ongoing. He assured the party's constituents will be abided by regarding the matter.
Congress ki MLA oi haibagi wani badu Congress party ga khoi mari leina de haidai thamjage maramdi party na hairiba am ko tagi nongmai si lawruso somai tawna si tawruso natraga adu taw ada taw haibasi akhoi party na decision lawkhib leite NIA na masi investigation tawduna magi involvement kayam leite ga isi thigatna ma huji akhoi gi NIA gi custody da law gi matungi na ma adum action lawjagani hairiba yam thong haw ki si Congress ki ni Congress na tumina lei maru oina ngarang hangbiriba BJP gi sangnare be chinnaw sing dudana ina thamjaningi se kanagumba mi ma charge tawre madu maran karai phau lei leite haba akoi khangde khangdan hekta kanagumba mi ma hekta haijal laga madu hekta action loba yadaba akoi gi su tongan ba party gi constitution gi channa pathap leije.
Speaking further, K. Ranjit also refuted the Chief Minister's statement during an event held yesterday where the Congress party was alleged of upholding drug peddlers. Terming the Chief Minister's allegation as unfortunate, Ranjit recalled that the Congress government always handed over drug-related cases over to the CBI for further investigation. He asserted that Chief Minister Biren has been a part of cabinet sessions during the Congress government. Ranjit recalled that the Congress government handed over the drug cases of the airport and Palen to the CBI for further investigation after a special cabinet session suspected involvement of government officials. He questioned why the present government failed to hand over the case of 27 crore worth drugs seized from Chandal ADC chairman on 20 June to the CBI or another independent agency. BJP continues to accuse the Congress of trying to take political mileage out of the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement and term it unfortunate. Ranjit assured Congress party will withdraw all allegations today. BJP pledges to hold themselves entirely responsible if the Framework Agreement affects the territorial integrity of the state in any manner. Also refuting Chief Minister's allegation of Congress involvement in fake encounter cases, Ranjit maintained that the cases are currently under trials in the Supreme Court. He assured the party's full support in bringing justice and punishment for those involved, irrespective of opposition. Ranjit, however, reiterated that it is not right to accuse the party and malign its reputation before allegations are proven.
Airport drug faba matamdugi achouba phambairiba imung manungi mi sing yawi praja sing na ngangnariba sembasi asengba ma khangnana ba haidana matamdugi Chief Minister Sri Okram Ibo bina kodakta khoi cabinet meeting kauraga masak naiba singi macha masu imung manung yawi haibado state government asina thigat pa taragadi achumba hairoga su thajadaba yai haidana independent body oiba khoi CBI da kodakta cabinet isaloroga khoi sinaraga hujik ki se CBI gi khutta leiribana swai area sida khoi gi mamangi Congress sarkar se drug lalonba da yamna support to bugi Chief Minister Nangangi was a Musilai Yam the Tibani, Lampian the Pariba, Eddie Sigis, the saying the drug papa the Tona Pay and Chief Minister Mako Pona Langis, Hayang the CBI the interview. Fact encounter. High river Supreme Court monitor told the river fact finding the Atay the Lari. Matamdugi Chief Minister, Maduda involved Torumba, Constable Obi, fact encounter, Maduda order Torumba, Generamba Mido, Matik Sabbath Dundee BBU Maduda Congress, Haroun Okana.
United Youths Forum UYF and residents of Lilong have blocked Lilong Kalay Kong Road from today. Speaking to media person, UYF General Secretary BM Saddam Hussein asserted that residents of Lilong have been facing grievous inconveniences due to the pathetic condition of the road. He recalled that a memorandum demanding repair of the road by August 25 was submitted to authority concerned after a public discussion held at Lilong Haurebi Kalay Kong Tong Kong on August 15. Saddam asserted that the resolution to block the road was taken as the authority concerned failed to take any positive measure. He also warned that all heavy vehicles are banned from entering Lilong Kalay Kong and owners are at their own risks if they do not comply the same. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on pathetic conditions of the road leading to Kachai village, raising doubts on Go to Heal slogan of the BJP-led state government. You're watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. The state government has been upholding Go to Heal slogan with pride for some time now. However, the deplorable condition of the road from Ukhrul district headquarters leading to Kachai village raises serious doubt on the authenticity of the slogan. An exclusive report in this regard from Impact News reporter Katrimayam Premchand.
The pathetic condition of this road leading to Kachai from Ukhrul district headquarters raises serious doubt in the mind of people of the hills on the trustworthiness of government's Go to Hills slogan. Kachai is at a distance of 65 kilometers from Ukhrul district headquarters. The adjoining road to the village from Taluikul after exiting Ngaimu and Somdal villages is in a deplorable condition. Vehicles cannot proceed any further 15 to 20 kilometers ahead of Kachai village at Humi village. Residents of Humi village lamented they haven't seen any black toppings on the road so far in their lifetime.
Nong chuba matamda nan basina upai le tatuni kolasi thabigini haibni atu thabidre
Sei kya sura?
suklak lakribni kolasi suklak lakte.
Meanwhile, Humi villagers continue facing scarcity of drinking water and lack of proper health center. Villagers need to commute at least 15 kilometers to Kachai or 14 kilometers to Talui to avail health treatment facilities. The prevailing road condition restricts day-to-day activities of the villagers.
Okay, indikri upale ni kamen ki sajda mukhana iken yang ipti koi nungai ni ba anayet le sotum challe ko khun de moti yang buak ti wai lambi phatabak ti tung da tung disposition le da ba wa bi go cha ni khun bi khoi tum si si ti
khoi khun si de khun chu pik buni na khoi ke MLA sing na su meeting khra wat ba hai ba da re hai ba di voters yam da buni na any development hangwesi yam no wa ba na khoi khun si di government side ta gi di development phang ba hai ba si yam wo buni han na ta ki ngasi phau ba ipai budagi ngasi ekhoi matam masi phau da tum wan lei bini amru ma pangsu lei tabni na khangna busu lei tabni na MLA gi amagi minister amagi yumda quarter ta changge hai bisi su ekhoi gi tum yam no wa ba amma lei ko.
People are apprehensive of being left behind in the developmental course if the authorities concerned do not repair the road and address the plights facing the people in the area without further delay. For Impact News, this is Katrimayam Premchand, Ukhrul.
Now moving ahead, Bishnupur District Legal Services Authority and Legal Aid Clinic Ningthokong under Manipur State Legal Services Authority held a one-day legal awareness program at Ningthokong Awang Community Hall in Ningthokong Municipal Council, Ward Number 4 of Bishnupur District today. Advocate Sudhir Maitei and Advocate T.H. Susil Kumar gave their resourceful view on the topic Human Trafficking and Commercial Sexual Exploitation Scheme 2015 and Drug Abuse and Eradication of the Drug Menace during the awareness program. Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Federation has demanded the state government to release due benefits for workers of the Labour Department before September 15. The federation has warned to call general strike on September 16 and 17 if the government fails to fulfill its demand within the time frame. The same was intimated by the General Secretary of the Federation, S. Biramani, during a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today. He mentioned that benefits for the labourers are due for 2015 and 2016. He also appealed to the government to make State Labour Advisory Board functional by appointing a chairperson and a DLC at the earliest.
Nandu hani saktak chabu nupa mana meeting ke mari makong samnadaba yupam yaudaba wafam kaya khongdok pirakro huina khongkadabugi mahutta gadhana khongbugi mawongda federation warep kaya phagi tahanba posakamu waina mahakna khabar gi kuthangda thawang adu chairperson da athing mapina honrakpa लेबर कार्ड सिंह सागनी हाइदुना लेबर सिंह पैसा लौखिबा मिय खरने तौखिबा रान सिंह कुपसिन होनबनि हाइबा कैप्शन अदो यानोब लेबर थीबा अमसुंग युफम यावदबनि हाइबसिने कोन सेंटोक जेरिबिसे डॉक्यूमेंट के सपोर्ट टू एविडेंस पीबा पोसक के गलोनेना मगी यूनियन सिगी प्रेसिडेंट सिना तांगनी फबुकी मनुंग द प्रजा खंगना मास मीडिया खुतांगना को सेंटोक तारगदी मागी मथक्ता कोना सिविल डिफेमेशन सूट तौरगनि लुपा लाख तरागी हाइबो फंक्शन को रिजोल्यूशन ताजरे
Joint Committee of Manipur Police Constable Mel 2013-2016 batch urged the government to declare the result of the examination of the 2 batches without further delay. Co-convener of the Joint Committee, A. Binoy, stated that the resolution was taken after unanimous decision by all the successful candidates of DPC. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club today, A. Binoy warned of serious consequences against anyone opposing the resolution. He said that 2 batches have taken the decision instead of petitioning the case at the High Court of Manipur. He urged the government to recruit 50% of the candidates from both the batches.
Mamang 2013 amasung 2016 haidina thabok asibu ani toktuna mamang dagi mayam agitation mayam chathrakpadu ngasi haiba numit asidagi join oina chapminaduna thabok asibu 16 amasung 13 asi yanaba maikai da pubiraktuna sarkar asina thabok asibu athubu matamda loisinbiu amasung government gi site gi mating angam mating pangbiu maduga loina loina Manipur gi High Court justice singna chu candidates singi amasung parents singi si awaba singsi ubiduna 2016 amasung 2013 gi police constable asibu Yanaba Maikaida resolution amatang tabiu haidana candidate tingi amasung joint committee gi Maikaidigi amuka hana ningsingjari.
Kanglaipak Student Association KSA has imposed a ban on T. Ratan's book entitled History, Religion and Culture of Northeast India, published by Isha Publication, Delhi. Speaking to media person at KSA's office in Koyatong this morning, General Secretary of KSA Seramcha Hamzit alleged that inaccuracies and distortions of historical facts in the book written by T. Ratan, who hails from Arunachal Pradesh, will be detrimental for the upcoming generation. He pointed out, starting from page number 107 of the book, the writer has written wrong facts about the origin of the name Manipur, its annexation by the Indian domain, etc. He maintained that origin of the Meiteis and portrayal of Ima Maibis mentioned in the book are questionable. Hamzit warned to ban all the books published by Isha Publication, Delhi in future if the publication house fails to rectify the inaccuracies within 10 days.
Lamdamasigi chahi lisang singna lejerlaba Manipur gi puaribu lamna lamjing duna akhoi gi horofam kohonaba honaba amadi akhoi gi horofam koholakanda lamdamasibu puyot yosan bagi yosanaba yanaba honabani haina kiesena lumna lobu ko loinana wafam sing asina maram oirakanda Isha Publication Delhi na phongiba T. Ratan iba History, Religion and Culture of Knowledge India si KSA na ngasi haiba nimisi thingjanjare aduga Manipur da leriba bookstore gi isinawk singna laik asibu yonbidanaba KSA gi maikai da gi khanganjari.
Uripok Samgat Sagatpa Apunba Lop Usalt observed its first foundation day today. A blood donation game as part of the observance was held at the conference hall of Usal in Nauremthong. Joint Secretary of USAL T.H. Devendro told media person that around 100 volunteers donated blood in the camp held in collaboration with Caesar Hospital. He also intimated that a joint meeting of all the clubs in Uripok constituency will be held tomorrow in continuation of the observance. Laishram Mangi Gaura Sangeet Academy in a press release informed that the academy held a 5-day-long Jilon for women artists under the guidance of K. Surijamani Sarma at its mandap in Wangkem Thobal district. WhatsApp group Ano Anoba Tasi Yengsi gifted food items and medicines to Matirong Liu Gamay, the oldest person alive today. Matirong Liu Gamay hails from Tamenglong district. She is over 115 years at present. Socio-Economic Development Group in a press release informed that the group has distributed edibles and stationery items to children homes, shelter homes and all-age homes of Imphal West and Imphal East districts. Free gas connections were distributed to AAY card holders under Uswala scheme at Wangsing Lamding Municipal Council, Ward number 4 today. Councillor of the Ward T.H. Amitabh, in collaboration with Athokpam Indian Service, organized the distribution program. MLA Wangjing Tentha, P. Brosant and eminent personalities of the area attended the event. Now the sports news. Singzamai Kendra Kangkut B emerged victorious in the 5th Thongam Chazau Memorial Mixed Kendra-wise League Cum Knockout Kang tournament. In the Group B league match played at Laikol Kangsang in Kongba Makha, Nandebam Laikai, today Singzamai Kendra Kangkut B defeated Thongju Kendra Kangkut B 15-11. Altogether, 13 Kangkuts subdivided into 4 groups are participating in the tournament organized by Ibudo Wangbrin, Kana Chauba, Kangkut Uche Kond under the sponsorship of Works Minister T.H. Biswazit. Kuntrakong Kendra Kangkut will play against Yaskul Kendra Kangkut in one of the Group C league matches tomorrow. Langadi Federation of India in the press release informed that Manipuri players participating in the 10th Senior National Langadi Championship 2018-19 to be held at Andhra Pradesh from 1st till the 3rd of September will leave Imphal from August 28. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. All Manipur Student Union observed 53rd Hunger Marches Day. Thousands of students take out Hunger Marches Day rally in commemoration of the day. BJP comes together with Northeast India Development Party for 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Party asserts NEIDP stands out in commitment and ideology compatibility. Huge reliefs for farmers as Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian announces arrival of 7 truckloads of fertilizers today and 30 more tomorrow. And deplorable condition of Ukhrul to Kachai road raises serious doubts in the minds of hilly inhabitants regarding authenticity of BJP government's Go to Hill slogan.